Right, guys, quick breakdown on EOS USD. All right, we just took a long, well, we bought a spot back. So let me quickly explain why I'm bullish, right? I'm gonna fully break this down starting on the monthly. So on the monthly, what levels am I watching? So the main monthly range that we're trading in is this one. As you can see, this pump, then we dumped all the way down. This was the first low where we saw a pretty good bounce, okay, and then the high of the bounce as a range high. As you can see, mid-range has been acting as a pivot right here and right here. All right, also on the monthly, let's mark out last month's low, and last month's high. Okay, last month's low and last month's high, top left. Okay, then zoom in onto the weekly. Nothing much to add right here. Maybe mark out this key level. That's gonna be a key pivot as well. Okay, right, zooming in on the daily. So we can see that we have been consolidating within here. Okay, so we took out last month's low, took out stops below, deviated below, reclaim, retest, and now we're seeing some upside. So last month's low has been swept, last month's high is unswept, so drawn liquidity is definitely to the upside. Okay, also range low on the monthly has been swept, unswept range high. Key high right here, and then last month's high. So liquidity clearly resting to the upside. So what I think here, as soon as we get above this pivot, that we're gonna see acceleration towards last month's high into this key pivot. All right. Another range that you could be watching is gonna be this one. Right, and then you can see there's some nice confluence with the mid-range pivotal level around this one and right above last month's high. We deviated below this range low and last month's low, reclaim. Then some days ago we saw this wick down into the weekly open, got bought up pretty quickly. So in my opinion, I wouldn't be surprised if we see a green dildo right into last month's high. So yeah, this is an A+ setup for me. Clean invalidation below last month's low. The bearish play, if we start bleeding down again, get back below here, then we're most likely going all the way back into here. But that's very unlikely in my opinion. I think we at least take out last month's high before potentially reversing and moving lower. So what are my targets? Last month's high into this mid-range and this key pivot. If we get a clean smash above here, then we're most likely going to trade higher towards range high, and then monthly mid-range. There, I'll probably close most of it. Might keep a moon back in case we get above here and just moon this all the way up into monthly range high. Okay, so that's what I'm watching here. I mean, it's just a higher time frame swing trade, to be honest. Not really bothered by the lower time frames, but yeah, I mean, just by looking at this, as you can see, resistance right here has been tested quite a few times. Okay, here wick through, failed, deviated below. Now right here failed again, and now yeah, I mean, in my opinion, it just looks pretty damn strong. So it's looking to find its way through this green area into last month's high, right? So let's see what we get. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.